Ngayon, itatry namin yung... Ano itatry natin ngayon? Hide and seek. My God. Nah! This is JOTG. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Pinay namin yung isa sa mga rooms ng Breakout Philippines. Ikukulong ka nila sa isang kwarto. Tapos, you just need to escape. Ganun lang kasimple. Pero, kami nagtagumpay.
Posted this exact photo on our Facebook page, first week of January, and people, as expected, people said, marketing stunt, hindi yan totoo. But as much as I would like to say it was a marketing stunt, we actually have people in our staff who swear that this is true. So much so na ayaw na nila dito sa Paragon branch namin. They actually requested to transfer over to Katipunan kasi hindi daw talaga nila matake.
Tama ba yun? Kunentahan nila kami na nakakatakot. Tapos, ito try namin! There.
And if you are fortunate enough to survive and escape, you are officially part of our Living Legends board. So, when I was saying kanina 8% success rate, kasi mind you, we have been open for 2 years and ito pa lang yung nakakalabas.
Kung mapapansin nyo, ang dami nang nag-try nito, ano?
Gusto daw, baka may sumila.
Going to check in Adarna's Lair. Ayan na ha, hindi na pwede camera dito. Bye-bye. Pagkagaling lang namin sa Adarna's Lair, nakakainis! Ang ganda ng Adarna's Lair. Ayan, yun yung room na ito try namin. Ay, sus mio. Bukal ba sa puso mo yung gagawin mo ngayong araw na to? Hindi, umamin ka.
Kung wala kayo, hindi ako mag-ano.
Sabi mo sa amin kung bukal to sa loob mo kasi, alam mo na, mahirap eh.
Gusto
Mamaya,
natin, may lakad pa ako eh.
dati daw tong, ibang room. Tapos, ginawa na hide and seek, sinarado na yung room na yun. Tapos nirenovate to hide and seek kasi may multo.
It's a puzzle-solving game and hindi siya pagalingan sumipa ng pintuan or magsuntok ng door. You don't need to use your brute strength to open up drawers or break anything inside the room. We assure you that all the locks that you see inside have corresponding combinations and all the padlocks have corresponding keys to them. So again, it's a mental and physical game but no brute force keys. As a guided tip na lang din, if you see something that you want to try and move but it doesn't want to move, either because talagang nakadikit siya or masyadong mabigat, it means that you don't have to move it talaga. It's really not meant to be moved. Secondly, is that everything you need inside the room is already there. So that means you cannot bring anything inside with you. Ballpens, cell phones, screwdrivers, mga Swiss Army knife, kailangan nyo siya iwan in our locker room area.
Hindi namin natapos. How's your experience?
Oh my God, kailangan talaga ito continue.
Kailangan namin bumalik. Hindi namin natapos. May mali kaming ginawa. Nakakatakot kasi ayaw namin buksan talaga yung pinto. Nagtuturoan kami kung sino magbubukas. Ikaw na magbukas. Challenging yung breakout rooms or yung mga escape rooms. Especially yung laro namin, which is yung bago nilang room, which is hide and seek. Tama ba naman na pagkatapos na kami takutin, pinapasok na kami dun sa room na yun. So kami, natakot. Ang nakakatawa, natutulakan kami kasi nga gusto namin, ayaw namin buksan yung pinto. Ang kinaganda kasi itong Breakout Philippines, matcha-challenge ka physically, mentally, and emotionally. Kasi nakakatakot talaga eh. Nakakatakot lalo itong hide and seek. Sobrang nakakatakot. Every time na papatayan ka ng ilaw, I don't know, you're communicating with the room eh. Ewan, ang hirap i-explain. Basta, I challenge everyone, I dare everyone na i-try nyo to. Maganda to pang mga team building, magbi-build talaga ang team nyo. Pakagaling. If you want to get to know more about Breakout Philippines, all you need to do is visit my blog. And you can also get a chance to win passes for their upcoming events. Basta, isitahin niyo yung vlog ko. Nandun lahat. Ha? Huwag niyo na ako problemahin pang describe lahat-lahat. Hindi ako magaling sa ganito. Ha? Okay?